In this video, we're going to learn how to download Killer Bean Game on your iOS device. Simply go ahead and check if your device is connected to a stable internet, and once you are, open up your App Store. If you're using Android, you can open up your Play Store. Into the search box, type in Killer Bean and search. Look for this application that says Killer Bean Unleashed. Now, to get the app downloaded, tap on the Get button or the download button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to start the downloading process. Once the download is completed, tap on the Open button to launch open Killer Bean Unleashed on your iPhone. Follow through the prompts and start the game. That was how you can easily get Killer Bean Unleashed application right on your mobile device, whether it is an iPhone or an Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.